Open house Sunday, October 10th, 2 to 4 p.m. Classic and charming all-brick basement ranch west/historical significance known as the HARTMAN House, founder of Mountain Dew, is now available for the first time. This original and fabulous home is located on the desirable Dogwood Trail of Deane Hill SD. Enjoy this mid-century modern home west/tons of natural light like it is, or renovate it to make it your own. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with formal living room, family room, dining room and 2 fireplaces. Original hardwood undercarpet in the hallway and all bedrooms. Plenty of room in the finished basement to create additional bedroom/office space and a full bath. Recent updates include new roof, new HVAC, and a new deck. Private backyard. Convenient to I-40 and shopping. Buyer to verify square feet. Sold as is.